Hey guys, it's Chris. Today we are going to be taking a look at how to quick pair your RVI products to your Command Center tablet and hub. So let's get started. All right guys, so we're out here at Dan's Jeep Gladiator, and I want to do this out here as opposed to in our warehouse because I want to show you what this looks like in a real world environment. So whenever we're going to do quick pairing, we need to have access to our particular device, and that's because quick pairing is a form of proximity pairing. So we have to be able to have access to whichever device we're going to be pairing to, because our hub, which we'll also need, has to be within about 2 feet, and ideally right on top if we can. So that's what we need. We also need to make sure our blue light on the device that we're trying to pair to is blinking, because if you'll know from some of our other videos, a blinking blue light indicates the device is transmitting and it's ready to be paired to. So in our case, that's true. We've got our blinking blue light here, we've got our hub. We're gonna go ahead and set that there. Now on our tablet, we're gonna go ahead and go into our Add Device app, just like we would to pair anything else. And we're gonna find RVI Brake Shadow on the list, and we're gonna turn that on. It's gonna immediately prompt me to pair, so we'll hit pair. And now it's gonna ask me for the serial number off of our device we're trying to pair to, so in our case, our Shadow. So we're gonna look for the serial number, in this case, it's right here on the front, so we're gonna go ahead and enter that. We're gonna hit search. Now the hub is basically going to go ahead and pair to this device, and you can see it already did that. It says you did it, you're a genius. We're gonna hit done, and it's gonna go ahead and take us to our settings page. Now in our case, this is the RVI Brake Shadow settings page, but whatever device you're pairing to, it'll take you to the settings page for that device, and you'll be able to either look at the readings it's giving you or manipulate whatever settings you need to right from there. But that's the process, guys. We're good to start towing. We've got our fast blinking blue light on the Shadow, which means we're paired. We can put this back in our RV and get going. So guys, as you can see, quick pair is a really easy process that just kind of streamlines everything when you're going to pair. We will still have QR code pairing available for certain devices if that's more your preference. And as we all kind of just get used to this process, but again, quick pair is so easy, we would really encourage you to give it a shot. It's all part of our goal to just try and make your RVing journey as stress-free as possible. So if you've got any questions about quick pair, QR code pairing, or anything else really, we're happy to help. Reach out to us. We're available by phone, chat, or email. And in the meantime, happy RVing.